Hola! Today we're making a very refreshing drink for the summertime. A very colorful, fruity, delicious drink that everybody knows around the world. It's called sangria. In Spain we love having these in good company with friends or in a big get-together. So, are you ready? There you go. We have all the ingredients in the description. And first of all, I'm going to make some orange juice. You can use approximately 4 oranges to make the orange juice, and then you can spare one for decoration. So, I'm peeling it. That looks really nice. And then I'm going to slice it. It's important to have some chunks of fruit in your sangria to make it proper. And you'll see how colorful it looks with some orange. Later on, I'm going to do the same thing with this apple. This part for decoration. And carefully, I'm going to cut it into small pieces. I'm using apples and oranges here, but any type of fruit goes here. Basically, you can use peach, you can use strawberries, or anything else. You can use a pear, whatever you have at home, works very well. Now, I'm going to use some red wine. It doesn't have to be an expensive one. And I'm going to mix it with the fresh orange juice. And I'm going to add some cola here. If you don't have any cola, if you have some other type of sparkly soda, that works as well. Now I'm going to add the fruit. Those big chunks swim nicely, and I'm going to add the cinnamon and a couple of cinnamon sticks as well. Now I'm going to stir it all together. I'll let it sit in the fridge for an hour or a couple of hours. Later it's ready for the service when it's cool. So serve it chilled. This is a presentation suggestion. And now my wife prepared this beautiful arrangement for our balcony. So we're gonna sit together and we're gonna enjoy this lovely evening in beautiful weather and the best company in the world. We're gonna have our lovely chilled sangria together. I'm gonna add a little extra apple. Salud. That was super refreshing. Please thumbs up if you liked our video, and don't forget to subscribe. So in this beautiful setting and in this beautiful summer evening, salud and enjoy. Adios.